Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by disabling power and freeing the console area. This prevents accidental engagement and preserves electronics. Once the battery is disconnected, remove the trim panels around the shifter with a trim pry to expose fasteners. Make sure to keep screws in a labeled container so reassembly is painless. While you work, note whether your charger has a push-button release or threaded knob. This determines the removal method and which tool you'll use next. Start by clearing the immediate workspace and lighting the area well. Next, access the retaining hardware under the exposed trim. You'll either remove a set screw with Torx or push the factory release and lift the knob straight up. This is why you checked the type earlier. Once removed, compare splines and adapters. If the new knob includes adapters, select the closest fit and test fit before tightening. Thread the replacement on by hand first to avoid cross-threading, then secure the set screw or clip. Use moderate torque. Over-tightening can damage plastic components. Once the knob is secured, reinstall the trim panels and fasteners in reverse order, making sure clips snap into place. Reconnect the negative battery terminal, then start the vehicle and cycle through each gear to confirm smooth engagement and correct indicator behavior. If the shifter binds or the gear indicator is wrong, loosen the set screw slightly and reseat the knob or swap adapters. If electronics behave oddly, disconnect and reconnect the battery after a minute to reset systems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.